am I? Oh my gosh. It just looks like open field. How the hell did I get here? Oh yeah, it was a rough night. I remember that part. The last thing I remember is somebody hit me. I was drinking out somewhere down near Austin, Texas. I was trying to walk back to my hotel. Somebody hit me over the head, and I'm waking up here behind this creepy windmill. Oh my gosh, I better get walking. Where do I remember seeing this?
The hell are you doing in my house?
Why does that gate look so familiar? Oh my gosh.
You ain't running things, boy.
Wait a minute.
You're so dead you don't even know it. Bring it! Bring it.
I remember that place. Holy crap, I'm starting to hear something. It sounds like a chainsaw. He's coming from the house. We need to go. Help!
Tell me how much you love me. How much? That much. That much? This much. That much.
Hey, are you okay?
They're all dead.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I was telling my wife, how am I going to make this fun? So anyway, here we are outside of Austin, Texas. First time down here, and of course, if you're in Austin, Texas, or outside of Austin, Texas, and you love horror movies or scary movies like I do, then you cannot pass here without stopping by and seeing the house. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003. Let's take a better look. Well, it was at this point in the video, as you can tell, it was very, very windy that day. We were in the open plains of Texas, so we're going to cut to a voiceover right now. But pretty much what I'm talking about is this house is just as creepy in person as it was in the movie. And there's just nothing but open fields all around us. Like the next closest house was definitely a little whiles away. As you can see where I pointed right there, there is a highway right there though. So when they filmed this, I'm not sure exactly what they did. If they just blocked traffic there or not, but most of it was filmed at this house. And as you can see right here, they do welcome guests to a point. They say like, yes, in those, there's a box of pamphlets right there. Yes, this is the house, but please respect our privacy. So there's cameras everywhere, you know, please do not block the driveway. They are very private, but I'm sure this house gets a lot of visitors, so that's exactly why they need to be like that. And this open field over here, like I said, there was also a lot of shots, as you can see from the clips I threw, and that was filmed all right here. What's pretty interesting too is actually the original 1974 movie. That house is not too far from here either, but we're not going there today. I really wanted to see this one from 2003. It is a sick movie. I like horror movies, but I don't like the gore ones like this, so not a huge fan of it, but still cool to see here. Yeah, so they have electrical wiring all the way around, which I don't blame them. Obviously, here's the nice gate too, but it is pretty crazy to see. I'll show some close shots, but I'm pretty sure they did film a lot of it inside the house.
The hell are you doing in my house?
On that front porch, definitely. Out here in the fields. This is really cool. And we are not the only ones here. Someone else is stopping to see the house, but really cool. Obviously, you can't see too much. This is as close. Anyway, here is the Texas Chainsaw House, the home of Leatherface himself from 2003. Anyway, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my fun little video, my little terrible acting performance in this video. But anyway, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I do have a whole haunted playlist on my channel, so make sure you go check out those places, real haunted locations. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Till next time, see y'all soon on Travel Channel. Take care.